Welcome to Paintbrusharmory. So I took our Gondorian 3D model files found on our Etsy shop and turned it into a quarter scale helmet, perfect for those who have limited space. But first, if you could do me a favor and subscribe to the channel and like this video, and let me know what helmets you want to see in the future, that would be greatly appreciated. So first thing I had to do was drop the model into my G2 box. Now I have a Saturn S, so this helmet is going to be very big on the build plate. So we gotta orient the helmet first, and then I'm going to scale it down to 30%. I found that 30 is perfect for this helmet instead of the 25%, which would be a true quarter. But look how nice that looks. And now I'm going to get the settings right. I just keep the same settings usual, do the all supports. Now normally I would angle the helmet a little bit with the face part facing up, but for this it'll still print well. And here is the helmet after the print, wash, and the curing process. Now there might be some support leftovers on the back, so we're going to have to sand it. I like to use a 220 sandpaper, and I normally will use Bondo, or I'll use extra resin and cure it on to make sure that the back is smooth. This time I skipped that, but we want to make sure that the back of the helmet is clean of any debris. And then I'm gonna prime this helmet black. And here's the helmet after the primer has been dried. And to get the beautiful silver sheen, I'm going to use Rub and Buff's Silver Leaf with a wooden dowel. And we're going to go over it. Now I go very heavy so that you guys can see the awesome mirror finish that this Rub and Buff gives. I think it's better than spray paint. Here's the finished product. Look at that mirror finish. Now, Gondor is kind of in decline during the War of the Ring, and so I like to weather it. Now you could always go lighter on the Rub and Buff and you'll have that black primer showing through, but I decided to do black wash on top of this to show the grit and grime of probably several years of being out in the sun. I end up doing 3 washes. And as always, we like to clean up after ourselves, and I called it good. If you enjoyed this content, please consider leaving a like. And if you're interested in the quarter scale helmet, or if you want to make your own full-size helmet off of the files, I'll be leaving the links in the description. Once again, thank you for watching the video. I'll catch you later.